This is the Group 10 project demonstration Blackjack program. There's actually two things going to demonstrate here. The first is our attempt at a graphic user interface, which did not work, and I'll go over what happened as we go through that, and then I'll show the actual working text-based program. So on the graphical UI, the GUI, you see it shows a card based on the hand that was dealt. Card for each card is displayed here, and it sums up for both the player and the dealer what their total score is. As you can see, the dealer got a blackjack right here on the deal, and every time you launch that, it deals new cards. That will be based on whatever is dealt. There is a bank here that shows how much money you have in the bank. That's coming from the player class, which is storing the amount in the bank. This slider will let you choose how much you want to bet, and as the amount in your bank changes, the slider will change and show tick marks every 10 from 0 up until the maximum amount in your bank. And placing bet stores that bet amount so that if you win or lose, that is what is used to calculate your new bank for the next hand. These are the operational buttons: stay, hit, quit. So the problems that we ran into first of all with the user interface is on these cards, trying to research how to manage the files, get them into the jar, get them to work right, execute it anywhere else but on this particular computer, and then also managing the turns and updating the UI as the game is played. So those problems we weren't able to get around with the amount of time that we had, so we went and did instead we did a text-based implementation of the program, and that is shown here. And this is not from the jar file. This is just from executing out of Eclipse. And so you put in your bet amount. It works very similar to the graphical user interface we had. You put in your bet amount, you get a hand dealt. Jack of hearts, 10 of clubs for the player, 3 of spades, 2 of hearts for the dealer. You can hit, stay, or quit. If you quit, it closes out. Tells you what you have in your bank as you're leaving. If you try to bet more, you can't cover that. Try again. Try another bet amount. All right, that's how much we have available to bet. If you hear and hit stay or quit, try to put in anything but hit H, S, or Q. It just prompts you to put in something again until you get something that it'll know how to handle, H, S, or Q. So I'm going to hit. I got 21. I won. Updates bank amount to 200, so I can bet again. Bet again. I got blackjack. Bank amount's 400. Need to play this one for real in Vegas. Okay, so I'm going to hit here, and there we go. Bust, I lose. New bank 0, and since my bank is down to 0, sorry, you ran out of money to bet with. Game over. And the game will just keep going until you either quit, run out of money, or if when you're placing a bet, you put in something invalid. I'll demonstrate that real quick. If you don't put in a valid bet amount, say I try to put in a decimal because it just wants integers, it's not a valid bet. You've been banned from the betting floor. All right, hope you enjoyed it. It's been a fun semester. You'll have a good one.